Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's BJ here. I know I've been up for a very long time, but we're back in action, we're back together, and I'm here to deliver the content that you guys actually seek from this particular YouTube channel. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button so you get video updates when I actually get posts, right? So in today's video, we're going to be doing trade breakdowns on my trading robots. So as you guys know, I have two trading robots, right? I have Goldkiller and I have Propkiller EA, right? So in today's video, we're going to be seeing the trade breakdowns, or we're going to be seeing the results of this robot for the past week, and we're going to be analyzing these results. So let's get right into this video. So right here we have our back testing system, and we're going to be testing out this system through this whole week. So as you guys can see, it's Friday, so we're going to be testing from the 9th of February to the 13th, right? So we want to see the results of this robot over this week, and then this is something I'm actually going to be posting every single week, so you guys can actually follow the results of my robot and see what it looks like to have a trading robot. So right now we start off Monday. As you guys can see, we start off Monday looking very good. We're trying to form the range breakout. So as you guys know, my system is a breakout system, and if you want to test this system out, just hit me up on Telegram. You can check my website for a test, or you can hit me up. So right now we've formed our buy and our sell breakouts, and what's actually going on right now is market is heading towards the upside. So let's see if we actually get this breakout from the upside. Okay, so market is going down a little bit. Okay, so market is going down. Okay, so it looks like we'll have a very ranging day. So gold ranged a lot through this week, so it was very nasty. If we take out that high, that would be very nice. So right here we took out the high, and this red line simply signifies the end of the day for our robot. So any trade we're in, we'll close it out. So right now we're on a profit of $7, and let's see what goes on next. Okay, so right now we took a break even, as you guys can see. So that's why our SL has been shifted to our entry. We took a break even and we took partials. So as you can see, there is a close right there. So if I just zoom it into it for you guys, you see that there's a close right there. So we're still in the trade, but we have this amount of profit, and let's see what happens. So right there, market closes for us, and we look at our history and we take out $124 off this market on Monday. So let's see what market does on Tuesday. So we start off very good, and because of the trend filters that are installed inside this robot, we only have a buy stop, so we don't have a sell stop because this market is bullish for my robots, right? So let's see what happens, and boom, we enter into this trade right here, and this is a bullish trade, and we're in a loss of $108 at the moment, but let's see what happens. So we're starting to make recoveries. Okay, so we almost hit SL right here. So as you guys can see, we almost hit SL. So right now what happened was market took a close, so we hit our closing point for this particular robot of 800 points, as you guys can see. Yeah, so that's about 800 points, and market closed. Let's see how much we made. We made about, I think, $48 on that particular trade. Okay, so let's see what Wednesday has in stock for us. As you can see, market came down after, but then that is, you know, the risk parameters of this robot, very clean. So you stay out of all this rubbish right here. So it's starting to form our range on Wednesday, and we entered into a buy trade right here. Okay, so we take partials right here, but then our break even is not triggered. It doesn't meet the criteria of our break even. Okay, so as you can see right here, market shifted, and then as market came above our entry, it tapped our break even, and that was a close for us. Let's see how much we made. We made about $72 on this particular move, right? So through the whole week, we're in profit of about $345 right here. So that's actually very good, but then we missed out on all these big movements, right? So if market actually didn't go down to trigger our break even, we would have actually been in this much profit, right? So that would have been very, very good for us. Wow. So this is everything we missed out of. So let's move on. Okay, so moving on to Thursday. Thursday was ranging so much. Yes, I think we took a loss. Yeah. So we took a loss right there because the range was crazy. Can you see that range? Very, very crazy. But at the end of the day, we broke to the downside, which was quite wonderful. That was news. And that's the end of this test for Propkiller. So I'm going to be moving to Goldkiller, then we'll be looking at the results for Goldkiller for the week. Okay, so right now I've loaded up Goldkiller. As you can see, we're on the 1 minute time frame. I want you guys to be able to see the stop loss and the limit orders for this particular robot, right? So we're going to be seeing the trades taken by this robot from the 9th of February to the present day. So that's the full week trade breakdown. So let's see how it went. Goldkiller is very, very fast. It's for live accounts. As you can see, the balance we have here is very, very small because it's for live accounts. So all these profits, if you try and convert it to percentage, it's quite a lot, right? And we're risking very, very low on a very, very small account, right? So I'm trying to show you guys that Goldkiller can do so much on this account, right? So on the 9th of February, we have taken 2 trades so far, right? And this robot will forever keep hunting trades and hunting trades down. So I'm just going to keep it playing. Then we're going to be tracking out all the trades that are taken by this robot. So we have about $35 already made between the 9th and the 10th of February. $52 now. Crazy results, right? $64 now. Right. $76 right now. Then 88. Then 90. Okay, so we're already in the 11th of February. That's the 3rd day of the month, of the week, sorry. About $100 right there. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's just buy stops and sell stops. And if you want to test out this robot again, hit me up on Telegram, request a test through my website, and hit me up on Telegram. So basically, those are all the trades for this particular week made by this robot. And we have a whopping $168 in total, which is really, really crazy for a live account and for any trading robot you would ever see. So we took our accounts from about 200 to about 400 in just this particular week. Even with all the ranging, right, as you guys can see, all the ranging of gold throughout this week, it was very nasty. But Goldkiller took about, this is more than 30 trades, 37. Yeah, more than 37 trades, if I'm not wrong, or about 37 trades for this particular week, right? Which is actually very, very crazy. So guys, that's the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section what you would love to see in trade breakdowns like this. Let me know if you want to see deeper results. Let me know how far you want me to go, and then I'll have that done in the next week, right? So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and request a test, right? So it's 2026, guys, and it's the 2nd month already. You want to start using trading robots, right? I'll catch you guys in my next video.